The Holy Quran. It is the word of Allah and the heartbeat of billions of Muslims around the world. But have you ever wondered how this sacred book is produced with such incredible precision? This is not just an ordinary book printing process. It is a magnificent blend of advanced technology and deep spirituality. Today, we will take you inside the world's largest Quran printing complex, where millions of copies are produced every single year. The journey begins not with computers, but with the human hand. World-renowned calligraphers spend years patiently writing the original manuscript. Every letter, every dot is placed with perfect geometric precision. Once the handwritten pages are complete, they are scanned in high resolution. Then begins the rigorous process of proofreading. Expert scholars and hufaz, those who have memorized the Quran, spend months checking every single character to ensure there is absolutely no error in the word of Allah. Once the manuscript is approved, the actual printing process begins. The machines used here are state-of-the-art, but the materials are equally special. The Quran is printed on a specific type of acid-free, long-lasting paper designed to resist turning yellow even after 100 years. The color of the paper is carefully chosen to be soothing to the reader's eyes. What is truly amazing is the atmosphere inside the factory. Many of the technicians and workers perform their duties while in a state of wudu, ablution,